can do the food.
Guys, I know it's early, but we're just doing a test run because I'm not able to do it on YouTube, so I have to do it here.
Oh, look at it.
As you could see, I'm still busy doing some fried brown rice for the party. So give me this thing. And my hair is in a mess, so don't you even try to put it on my face.
Hey, she's watching.
Who is that? Yeska, I asked her to. So this is how we do the brown rice with egg. That is a favorite among the kids. They requested that I do it.
Ooh, look. What is that wave?
Leave it. What is that?
We waved at them. Who is Gisette?
Oh,
Thanks.
Station. Hello, how are you? Just let us know in the comment if you could hear us. If you can hear my voice clearly.
6 people are watching. Oh, 2 of them left. Wow. So,
Just focus on the rice because the kitchen is in a mess. Cause I'm supposed to be by the party since 3 o'clock and now it's 4 o'clock and I'm still here in this hot kitchen cooking this rice and my hair haven't done anything to it.
she said it sounds good.
Thank you. So I guess we're finishing up. I will just put all the eggs in here because I don't want leftover. So we're going to be live now in the next hour or 2, but on Facebook, not on YouTube.
She said stop worrying.
Yeah.
What?
I am breathing.
I'm waving. Hi. She said hi to me. Yay! I'm waving again. Yay! I'm waving. Look, she said hi back.
And there is no Johnny cake this year for the people who thought that I would be doing Johnny cake. It's too hot and I'm not going to be frying anything besides this fried rice.
I waved at all these people.
Oh, hi, I'm still here.
Yay. Yay.
Anybody want to come live and say hi to me? To show your face on the camera? Egg fried rice.
Yay!
Can you stop saying yay? That sounds so childish. I mean, you are
I'm
childish now.
13.
See, when your child is
watching.
the photographer, she'll just be saying yay the whole time.
She asked what you're cooking.
It's egg fried rice.
See, she said she.
Egg is not shrimp. Egg.
With egg and peas and carrots and corn and
We're taking it to a barbecue.
yeah.
in like in an hour's time. If you guys want to see the start to finish of it, don't forget to check out my YouTube channel on Caramel Fit. At Caramel Fit.
Who's that? Oh, look at the hearts. Who's that?
This child is just here getting so excited. This is done now, so I'm going to rush upstairs, bathe my skin, try to do my hair, try to do something. I'll catch you guys later, like in an hour or two.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
2 hours later.
Hello!
Nobody there yet.
It's okay, they will know.
Nobody there yet. I'll give him something. Hello, now why you could say hello? I forgot today to do the live. Hi, some of my friends.
Hiya.
Who wants some fish?
Who like my hairstyle? Yeah, the barbecue. And the barbecue almost finished. And my outfit. It's
Hello.
cold now. Some of the barbecue people, we late now. You can't see much. It's dark. You want to say hello? Yeah, it's dark now. This was some of the food we had. The grill is still on. Some of the people. And inside the house. Everybody all over now. See my hair. Shy people, my hair.
Tell them we did it.
My daughter did it, but she's shy. She don't want nobody to see it. She's awake.
What do you want, Dad?
Yeah, let's go see what. Oh, all the children upstairs. See the madam of the house. Say hello.
Hello. How are you?
Good.
Hey.
Hello, children.
Hello.
The camera ain't fighting that way. It's the other way. Hello, wait. Okay, careful down the stairs. Come, Florencia. Yeah. No, hi. Come, Florencia. And all the bigger kids. All the big people there. Thank you so much, Lexi.
Where's Rosina?
I think she up there or downstairs. Come, let me go back outside.
Yeah?
But here, if you haven't seen it properly, I'm blonde today. Just temporary. I'm back out here, but it's pure, it's dark, so you can't see nothing. Anyways, bye. Yeah, hi Dexter, how are you? Long time, yeah. There is no lights out here. And see this Ola, she just in her phone. Okay, bye. And now she taking my picture in the dark. See this one, like he got, like to eat. Look how full he food is.
Is that I was looking for you?
I found her.
Okay.
I got crisp and egg. I got crisp and egg too.
Claude, see who on a diet?
Egg.
On a diet. The looky plate.
Me not got
The seafood diet. You ain't eat nothing for the day. That what you say? You forget you eat before you left the house. You ain't eat nothing. That is your second food.
Where's Emma?
Who this one? But move it from there now. I sit along there. My phone instead is on 10%. Bye. Happy Easter, everybody. Enjoy yourself. Hello guys, if you make it to the end of this video, why not subscribe? Leave your comment down below and don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. Bye.